What is public liability insurance? Most people would have heard of third-party car insurance. That's where if you're driving along and then you run, bam, straight into someone else. Scenario, third-party insurance is going to cover the cost to fix that other car because you ran into it and it was your negligence. Public liability is similar, but for businesses. You see, businesses do lots of different activities on a day-to-day, and that can cause lots of damage to other people. For instance, you could be driving along in your warehouse on your forklift and then a box falls. So you swerve and then you go straight into a wall. But that premise you're leasing is not yours, it's third-party property. Public liability insurance can cover the cost to fix that. In essence, public liability covers damages third-party property or personal injury due to your negligence. A really famous example in New Zealand is the Auckland Sky City Convention Centre. It was working there, the blowtorch. They decided that they'd go have lunch and leave the blowtorch running. You know, a little bit simple to just come back and get straight back into work. But during that time, blowtorch started burning a wall until the whole thing burned down. Oops. In that scenario, the tradesman had been negligent, so his public liability policy would cover the cost to fix the damage. Now with public liability, you also select an amount you want to insure for. Usually it's 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million. It's however much you think you'll cause the maximum damage. So if you're a tradesman and you're working on residential property, the maximum value of a house that you're going to go into would be $5 million, and that's the limit of liability that would probably be a good idea to have. Or if you're going into a factory where the whole setup's $20 million, what's the worst case scenario? If you're burn the whole thing down, well, $20 million may be more appropriate.